I'm Clever Ghoul, but you can call me Nikki. And this week, I'm turning myself into Jennifer Coolidge. We have a new camera now. I don't know if it's how it looks yet, but we have a new camera. Let me walk you through how this whole idea came to be. So it was 2021. We'd all been cooped up for like a year and a half, losing our minds, got our first vaccine, and we were able to hang out a little bit, dipping our toe back in the social water. So a friend of mine invited us over to watch a movie in his backyard, and we decided we were gonna watch some cheesy movies from when we were teens that are just nostalgic and not necessarily good, but fun to watch. So one of the movies we chose was the Cinderella Story with Hilary Duff and the iconic Miss Jennifer Coolidge. So we watched this movie. Fast forward a couple of months, this same friend and I are putting together a baby shower for our other friend who was there, and we drive right by the diner that is featured in this movie. And that was when we realized we're super close to this diner and it actually is still up and running and functioning. So we definitely have to dress up as these characters and go there, right? Right. So here we are. I'm excited for this. I also wish I had a little more time to put together an outfit in the way I really want to, but the whole point of this is to have fun. It's not going to be super accurate. This isn't a true cosplay, but I'm doing my best. I also have a giant zit right now. Please don't look at it. I have a pimple patch over it. Leave me alone, okay? Yes, you can be in your mid-30s and still get pimples. Mind your business. So obviously I had to dress up as Jennifer Coolidge because I love her and I'm obsessed with her. I think the first thing I ever really remember seeing her in was American Pie as Stifler's mom. Obviously amazing. And then how can you forget her roles in Best in Show and Legally Blonde, and of course White Lotus. She is just... Obviously, Jennifer Coolidge is having a moment right now. She is an icon, and I'm so glad she's getting all her flowers because she deserves it. We love Jennifer Coolidge on this account. If you don't love her, you need to leave. I mean, at least watch the whole video first, but leave. I got a dress at Goodwill this week. It's a little big, so I'm gonna take it in. This is the dress. It's actually like a romper, or like a skirt situation, like it has shorts underneath, which is fantastic for me personally, because then I feel a little bit more covered. So I'm gonna take this in a little bit. I also have this robe / cover up thing that we're gonna use as her duster with the feather trim. I also have feathers for this. I ordered light pink, and in the picture they looked like very white pink, and how they turned out was super pink. I ended up ordering some white feathers in case, but they may not get here in time, so we may be using this for the trim. On top of all of that, I have obviously blonde wigs, I have jewelry, I have big fake nails that kind of match hers in the movie. But yeah, basically we're dressing up like Jennifer Coolidge. So I'm gonna start by taking this dress in. Gotta add the trim onto this robe. All right, so it's the morning of the shooting day. I'm getting ready. Just did my skincare. Still have a giant pimple. Yay. Here's the robe. I didn't have enough feathers to finish the cuffs, like the sleeves here, but they're also short and I think it kind of would have looked weird. So I have this robe now. The dress is taken in. Everything's ready to go except I have to do my face. I did a test run of the makeup yesterday, mainly to prove to myself that I do in fact have to block my eyebrows because we have completely different eyebrows. I'm about to get ready to do that, which feels weird to do on camera, but whatever. So here we go. I need Red Bull. I need my Red Bull. Not a big fan of this style of wig cap. I kind of like the mesh ones better, but we're gonna roll with it for now. I look like a lizard. Okay, so we're gonna glue down our brows. I had to get new glue. I am not a pro at this by any means, and I've got a lot of eyebrow, so this could look bad. It's been a while since I've done this, and there's a high chance of oatmeal brow. Because I have so much eyebrow hair, this has been a problem in the past, but there's men out there who do drag who have way bigger brows than I do, so I don't know what my excuse is. Probably that I don't do it very often. I think we're gonna have a little bit of an oatmeal brow situation, but the wig is gonna cover most of it, so I don't really care. Well, let's see. Let's see how this goes. These are probably the worst brows I've ever done. I also I'm not gonna wash off all this stuff and start over. So this is kind of what we have. I'm gonna wait for this to settle a little bit more, and then I'm gonna try and patch this up. I'm gonna dig through my old makeup and see if I have a really thick foundation just to like press into the brow, and then we'll see. I should have done more layers of glue. I feel like if I'm back here, maybe it's not so bad. Maybe you can't see, but like, it's so bad. My apologies to all of you watching this. This is heinous. This is truly heinous, but we're gonna keep it moving. I don't have time for this. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. This is the most cursed thing I've ever done, and I'm so sorry. And it looks so different on the monitor than in here. And who knows what it's gonna look like in the restaurant. Trust the process, right? Trust the process. I've decided I'm gonna do the rest off camera so that the whole look is a surprise. I hate this. Droughts are for poor people. You think J-Lo has a brown lawn? People who have extra water have extra class. Oh, it's the Botox. Something stinks around here, and it's not the fish. Get to work. Thank you so much for watching. Really, I'm glad you're here. I had so much fun doing this week, and I can't wait to do it again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me at cleverghoul.yt on TikTok and Instagram. Can't wait to see you next week. Bye.